Hi traders, it's Simon here. Now, one of the most exciting things we have for you here at Future Algo Trading is an indicator specifically designed to trade Bitcoin and other volatile instruments. Now, the thing about Bitcoin, as we all know, of course, is it generally tends to go one way, which is upwards, but interspersed by quite volatile pullbacks. So the name of the game is basically to buy the dips. And we see this with other instruments as well. We see this with stock indices. So here, for example, we have the S&P 500 on a 4-hourly chart, and I've dropped on the Future Algo Trading Bitcoin Trader. This is just an indicator, sits in your indicators folder, and you already know how to load indicators onto your chart. So this is a very simple indicator to use. There is nothing whatever to adjust. It just sits on your chart the way it is. And what we do is we just take a horizontal line and we look at our peak up here, and we see that that's maybe 2.3, 2.4. We just halve that, so we drop a line on our chart at about 1.2. Now, the reason you can set that manually is because if you want to be more conservative with your trading, you just put your line a bit higher. If you want to be more aggressive, you can put your line a bit lower. But I would recommend that if you put your line halfway down that window, you'll be absolutely fine. And let's take a look at what this indicator is actually showing us. This indicator shows a sharp peak when we get a pullback at the point, ideally where we want to buy. Now, let me emphasize one thing at this point, in case you're wondering. This indicator absolutely does not repaint, and it does not lag. So let's see where we had the peak. That peak there is absolutely perfectly on that low and a lovely place to buy. Here we have low, low, another low. Very good place to buy. The market went up afterwards. Lovely peak here, lovely place to buy, and here, little peak just above the line there, good place to buy, and there, and lovely place there to buy, and there, and we had one only just yesterday. So that's the S&P 500. This is the chart of Bitcoin against the euro, the daily chart. And once again, we just take our line. We go to the top, standing at about 40. So we drop that on our chart at around about 20. And we can see straight away that had we had the chance to buy there or there, that would have been an excellent place. And look, even though the volatility is low, our indicator massively amplifies the volatility spike for you, so you can see exactly where you have to buy. Once again, lovely place to buy there, and there, and there, and we have further opportunities here, and here, and here, and of course a really lovely opportunity there on that low before the big run up. We could, of course, taken a sneaky one in there and a further trade there, and we would have been absolutely right every time. And it works, of course, on all the time frames. Here's the same indicator on the 4-hour. We take our line, pop that about halfway down the indicator window, and there you are. Bang, absolutely perfect place to buy, and there. So there we have it. Future Algo Trading is the absolutely #1 place for specialist indicators, particularly here for the cryptocurrencies, which, as we know, are particularly exciting at the moment. So make sure you get hold of this indicator. It will really enable you to capitalize on the Bitcoin stuff, Litecoin, Ethereum, Neo, all the rest of the cryptos, and really lift your trading into the stratosphere. I hope that helps. Thanks a lot.